Okay. So, dito na ba lahat? How many are we? Let's see. Just start counting. Check ko lang ha. Ayan, naka-open cam lahat. Siyang amin nandito ah. Okay.
Hello, sis.
Hello sis. So nice to see you here. Ayan, 4, 6, 8, 10, 16. Okay. So, pwede na tayong mag-umpisa. Ayan, si Miss Jane ng Batch 1 will be assisting me pagdating sa attendance. Yan. Para sa ganon, nakafocus lang ako sa ating lesson for today. Okay, so we will be starting na para bigla akong kinabahan sa inyo. Okay, let's do this. Yan. Okay. So first and foremost, gusto ko munang bigyan kayo ng orientation about hard skills, no? By the way, my name is Coach Jennifer Schultz, and I am handling hard skills for Helping Hands VA. Ayan. So first and foremost, we'd like to welcome each and every one of you right now dito sa batch 2 ng Helping Hands VA. And with that saying, sa hard skills, ang isa sa lesson natin is all about email management, which comprises, of course, of understanding the role of a VA in email management and identifying the common email issues at saka kung ano yung impact nila. We will also discuss organizing emails and we will do some daily and weekly maintenance routines kung paano ninyo pwedeng gawin ito sa inyong mga future clients. And then I will be introducing some tools for you na pwede nyo ma-utilize in order to do things on a fast pace. No? And then lesson number 2 is all about mastering social media management. That includes, syempre, introduction and then setting up social media accounts in which I am very sure na most of you knows about Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, and so on. But we will only focus on some. Tapos, kayo na yung gagawa eventually. And then, we will be teaching you how to create and optimize profiles, no? At saka kung ano yung mga best practices for branding and consistency. Also, we will discuss about developing a social media strategy, no? This is very crucial as a VA, no? And then also about content creation and curation, types of content, yung mga text, images, videos, and stories, and then tools for creating engaging content. Some of you already know about Canva, so doon tayo magfo-focus. And then writing compelling captions and using hashtags, na? And then content curation strategies. Tatakal natin yan. Engagement and community building. Yan. So, and then some tools no na ipapakita ko sa inyo and which one I am using on these tools. We will have an output activity which is social media content calendar. Dun sa lesson number 1 natin, we will have an output activity which is all about email management. Bibigyan ko kayo ng persona and then you will do a schedule or a calendar in email management. What are the things that you need to do on that particular persona? And then lesson number 3 is all about lead generation. We will kumbaga, go through what is lead generation and some of the things that they use, no, yung tinatawag nating lead generation funnel, types of lead gen, and then meron tayong activity which is lead generation plan. And last but not the least, this is the most exciting part kasi it's all about website design. So, you will be learning about Canva, no? Pero dahil i-introduce, I think, ni Coach Cecil sa inyo yung Canva, so we will just pahahapyawan lang natin and then I will give you website design basics, website design template, and then customizing your website, and then finalizing and presenting the website design. Ang magiging output activity natin dito is yung inyong portfolio, kung paano ninyo siya magagawang website, na hindi siya yung dire-diretso, but there will be landing pages. We will discuss that later on, no? So, those are the 4 main lessons, pero ito palang mabigat na. So, I hope your full attention and also your eagerness to learn all about this ay nandiyan, no? So, again, I would like to remind everybody to fill up the Google form para sa ganon ay meron tayong attendance for today, no? So, let me just close this one.